Hi friends, we are going to be talking about natural killer cells and T cells for two conditions, mainly two types of cancers. One is multiple myeloma and breast cancer. It can be used for all types of cancers, but focus mainly on these two conditions. And what are they? They are natural killer cells, are cells which can identify cancer cells even without antigen getting triggered. So it has the ability to find cancer cells even which are going below the radar. So these natural killer cells, when they are there already in our own body. If we are deficient of them because of some either lifestyle or because of a genetic condition, the cancer cells start overgrowing. So if cancer is detected, yes, now we have a lot of new age therapies called these natural killer cells and T cells. So T cells are lot of T cells are there. The main are CD8 and CD4 type of cells. The CD8 are the cytotoxic cells. So what happens is, in a cell there is cytoplasm. So this CD8 T cell goes and attacks the cytoplasm of the cell and destroys it. And what are CD4 cells? They are helper cells. CD4 cells help even the cytotoxic cells to ensure they work better, and they supplement them to ensure that the cancer cell is destroyed. So these combined together, natural killer cells and T cells, are called immunotherapy. So we need to find out what type of cancer it is, whether it's an aggressive cancer or whether it's a slow cancer. So all this can be detected. There are fantastic detection capabilities now which have come. And how do we treat them? There are various ways of treating with these NK cells and T cells, either by generating a vaccine. Cancer vaccine can be done, or checkpoint inhibitors can be used, or now the buzzword is CAR-T. What does CAR-T full form mean? Chimer antigen receptor T cells. These are again T cells. So they are also specific cells which are being used for cancers. So the NK cells don't need a trigger, I told you, and they can focus on the infected cells or the cancer cells, and without prior sensitization they can also attack cells which have down-regulated proteins. If the proteins are not functioning in a particular cell, that also they identify much earlier and ensure that they are also destroyed, because they can change to a cancer cell.